How to easily wrap your gift. So if you have a box, there's 4 sides, make sure all 4 sides fit. Once you measure the length, you'll want to work on the height of it. Now you can do it 2 ways. You can either measure each side, or what I do is I just measure the one side and make sure that it comes up the whole way and then a little bit of excess on the side. Cut it and then double check that it fits properly. If you're at the edge of the wrapping paper, you can see here how it doesn't look very nice. So I go ahead and I just will either flip it to the other side, or you can even fold it just so it looks a little bit nicer. Maybe your cut job wasn't perfect. Then you can tape it here, and I make sure that I'm not taping the box, since some people like to keep the box, and doing it this way makes sure that when you open up the gift, you can see clearly that it's a shoebox. And it's also facing the right way. It's not upside down. Next up, pick a side, any side at all. You will push in from the sides and push down. You'll make kind of like triangle shapes, and then you can fold in. Again, you can see at the bottom what I did just to make it look a little bit cleaner. Again, take your time for this because this is one of the most important parts, and then just put a piece of tape right in the center there. You'll do the same exact thing on the other side. Push in on the sides, push down on the top since the top doesn't look as nice, and then you'll flip up from the bottom there. Again, you can fold it on the bottom so that it looks a little bit cleaner. Once all the angles look good, you can go ahead and put that last piece of tape and enjoy your beautiful sneaker gift box. Drop a comment and let me know if this video was helpful or not.